Hello everyone! Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Dream Miracle Air Fryer. With that said, let's begin. I'm going to start this review by showing you what comes in the box. And so, here we have the instruction manual, the air fryer, the removable non-stick pan, and the basket. Note that the basket and the pan are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This air fryer has a 6-quart capacity and has 8 presets for a variety of delicious meals, such as French fries, shrimp, chicken, steak, fish, pork, cake, and pizza. It has a 1,750 watt power with a cooking surface area of 380 square inches. Its temperature ranges from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's take a look at what this air fryer can do. First up, chicken legs. As you can see, I have the chicken legs in the basket. I will set up the timer and select wings chicken from the menu. Here you can see how this air fryer cooks them. They are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Next up, the French fries. I have the basket set up and the French fries are in there. These French fries turn out delicious in this air fryer. In general, this air fryer is pretty good. It's not the best, but it's good enough. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.